X5 will do you. Let's see, what time is it here? It's 6 o'clock. Well, you doing another flight after this one, or getting some sleep for tomorrow's flight? I'm good for tomorrow's flight. Let's see here. Yeah, we might get a short one up tonight. Like about an hour flight maybe tonight. Something quick. I might do that. Yeah, I can't see why not. I think we got good time here to be able to do that. Yeah. So yeah, stand by for that one for sure. Yeah, I believe we can do it. No problem. And y'all, let's check out our airport here to the right. I know it's got to be over here. It's right here to the right. Let's see. Oh shit, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. If I get a better view of it. There we go. Oop, 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 oop. Map's changed up on us. It was all good though. There we go. Alright, we're going to turn off the anti-ice. You no longer need that. Alright. Y'all know how this aircraft is. We got to start planning for this accordingly. So let's, man, it's hard to see. Okay, there we go. I see where we're at. I wanna hold this heading here right now. Shit. Let's see how I do this. Click there. Let's see heading. Roll this back a little bit right there. And I wanna hold this heading here. Cool. Alright, I'm holding heading. Excellent. That's what I want to do. I want to hold his head right now. Let's turn this a little too. For Ellis, I want a nice turn into Ellis here. I don't want to force that. Why are we descending? We should be crossing Ellis at 2,000 feet. So. Okay, I understand. I can't. I want to watch that descend though. Watch that descend very closely. I'm not going to stop it. I'm letting it keep going now. We got to descend a little bit anyway. I just want to get a little angle on that Ellis before we
stabilizer motion.
Cool. Let's go bring some flaps down too as well. Alright, let's go ahead and start the angle towards the Ellis now. Go ahead and get that nav back up. There we go. Cool. Sweet. Start making that turn. Nice. Oh shit. Get y'all back on the screen here so I can see what the hell we're doing here. There we go. What's your flight? Let's see, Vision Jet? Nah, we'll hold off the Vision Jet. We got a new jet, man. That's in inventory here in Roll and Fly. What's your flight for tomorrow? I'm sorry, Charlie. Sorry, Charlie. And we got Tel Aviv. We're going from Tel Aviv to Newark, New Jersey, man. I think it's gonna be like a 12-hour flight, man. Yeah, Charlie, man, we got a good one tomorrow, man. Good long one tomorrow, man. Get up in the morning, get that bird up in the air. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, Charlie, man. We'll see you come through there. Hopefully, you know you come through. Check us out. We're about to make this turn, y'all. All right, let's see where we at here. Airport down there. Yeah, about to make this nice little slither turn there. Look at that water, boy. Look at that water. Let's make sure. I also want to make sure. Ooh, I didn't make that change, y'all. Shit, man. I gotta put this back down to 0. Or back down to 10. There we go. Cool. I don't want too aggressive on those flaps. Glad I noticed that. Alright, make a turn here, y'all. I'm gonna put on our approach here very soon. Down the pipe here. On this, adjusting our speeds. Look at our speeds. Yeah, adjusting nicely down to 180. By the time we cross Tully, we'll be like around 160 past Tully. Nice turn right there. Cool. Play the flaps a little more. There we go.
Stabilizer motion.
Sweet. Nice, nice, nice. Right on, Charlie, man. That's what's up, man. So was in Crane, like, haha. That's my man right there. That's what's up, Charlie. That is our runway, y'all. Look at it. Let me see it right there. There it is. Cool. 07 right. Here we come. Oh. Just in case someone's talking to us. Let's go make an announcement too, as well too. Anchorage traffic. This is FedEx 1979. Currently on final approach 107 right. Alright, we go making a turn. Right there. Alright, let's get this landing gear down.
2500.
Set now, folks. We're set for our run now. Alright, let's go ahead and get down. Spoiler set there. And we're gonna set her for. Oh, one thing I didn't check here. Check it real quick here. It's our brakes. I think we should be. I don't think we need to be max on our brakes. Let's see here. We have on our brakes. We have max. It's recommended we go max on our brakes. So let's do that. Let's go max on our brakes. Alright, we're all set, folks. We got right speed, right angle, right everything.
Stabilizer motion.
Let's go ahead and make sure we turn our set our altitude to 3,000. In case we need to go around there. And then 3,000. Cool. Set. Alright, and we're good for now. We look a little low here. Let's see what we're doing. Yeah, looks a little low. Let's see, are we right?
Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope.
We just seem a little low.
Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope.
A little low here.
Glide slope.
Folks, I'm gonna manually take over here because, well, hold on.
Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope.
Stabilizer
Glide
motion.
slope. Glide slope. Glide
Autopilot.
slope.
Yeah, I'm gonna take over.
Glide slope.
Autopilot.
Glide slope.
Just not having a
Glide
good feeling
slope.
about that.
Glide
there.
slope. Glide slope.
A little more altitude. It just
Glide
seems really
slope.
low.
Glide slope.
We're below
Glide
the glide
slope.
slope, actually.
Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope.
All right, dude, shut up.
Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope.
Got it. All right, cool. There we go.
1,000.
All right, we got it from there.
Glide slope.
We're up. We are way too
Glide
low.
slope.
There we go.
Glide slope.
That was a distraction.
Glide slope.
There we go.
Glide slope. Glide slope. Glide slope.
There we go.
Glide slope.
There we go. There we go.
400. Approaching minimum.
There we go. That was a hell of a pause.
100.
Can't do that right now. Don't allow that.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
I swear, man, it is so hard to get any good numbers, man, with this aircraft. I swear.